Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about how you can earn 1,108 by listening to Spotify music. Let's see what we have for you to make a massive profit with low investment if you want to. Earn a huge amount of $1,108 by just listening to Spotify music. Everyone wants to make money and is happy if they don't have to do much work for this. So we have given you amazing details on how you can earn 1,108 by listening to music. There are three main ways to start making money from your Spotify playlists, but the first step is arguably even more crucial. You need to have a playlist with genuine listeners because Spotify can only help you make money if you have a list of followers who actually listen to your playlist. This has become incredibly simple in today's world because if you can create a new social media account, you can get followers, get paid directly by musicians for song placement. By evaluating music entries, you can take into account that someone else could purchase your playlist. There are other ways to profit from playlists, but these are the most common. Once more, it is crucial to stress the significance of initially growing the number of followers on your playlist with real, genuine, and interested listeners. Continue reading to learn more about creating and marketing your own Spotify playlist. One of the easiest methods to make money off your Spotify playlist is to sell playlist places directly to record companies and artist management. However, this method is not recommended due to its unethical nature and violation of Spotify's terms and regulations. Additionally, your playlist's listeners may have a bad experience if you sell placements from your playlist. If this scenario occurs, it will only be a matter of time before your listeners stop listening to your playlist and artists will no longer want to spend money to appear on it. If you decide to go this route, a simple method to be contacted is to leave your email address in the playlist description. You would then simply need to strike through the artists who no longer want to pay to appear on it. Spotify playlists can be used to make money. You can apply to become a playlist curator at one of two big platforms. This is my preferred method for making money off of a playlist. Then one I use. Companies will start receiving payment for analyzing music submissions for song placement. If you have 1,000 genuine and active playlist followers, you can apply to both Submit Hub and Playlist Push. Playlist Push pays between $1 and $12 for every song review. However, there may be fewer submissions, whilst the Submit Hub pays 50 cents per submission, but there may be more submissions. I like this method because it lets you listen to a lot of cool music while earning money from it without feeling obligated to add any of the songs to your playlist. In addition, it does not conflict with Spotify's rules, and these companies handle delivering submissions to you. You just have to wait for them to show up and evaluate them. Finally, you can create income from your Spotify playlist by simply growing it and then selling it to someone who wants to take it over. Of course, you'll need to build a big fan base to do this. The obvious drawback is that you won't be able to make recurring income each month, but you'll receive a lump sum payment and no longer need to monitor the playlist. Instead, you can prove that listeners are sincere and then find a buyer. Once you attach the free Last FM app to your Spotify account, Spotify Analytics tracks stats and streams to measure your own Spotify metrics. If you're a Spotify user who wants to keep track of your own song data and analytics, I've looked into how you may start tracking your Spotify streaming, such as which songs and artists you listen to the most to track your personal Spotify analytics data and streams. Once connected, you'll be able to see what you're listening to on Spotify's app, web player, and any Spotify connected device. You must first attach a free app called The Last FM to your Spotify account to track what you listen to on the Spotify app, web player, and any other Spotify connected device. Next, a music delivery program called Last FM connects to smartphones and online music services like Spotify to track your listening patterns and make music recommendations using YouTube and SoundCloud. Your listening habits are recorded in the database when you sign up for the Last FM, where they can be displayed to you and used to generate music recommendations. It's important to note that the Last FM does not work backwards, which means it will not track your listening history. Here are some of the rumors about Spotify. The first myth is that Facebook ads for Spotify growth have a low ROI. The truth is that there will never be a standard ROI of $3 in Spotify royalties for every $1 spent on Facebook ads. Instead, successful launches will increase fans, a better reputation, and additional data resources for developing marketing strategies. The last misconception is that your first Facebook advertisement would produce millions of streams. Growing your streams with Facebook ads involves persistence and momentum. It is not a magic cash grab approach that requires no work. Running Facebook ads properly takes talent, and you will experience initial struggles like any talent. Let us know your views in the comments section below. And with that, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching!